a trombone, you can come across a number of different issues. One of them would be a stuck mouthpiece, and if you can't remove it by hand, then you need to have somebody remove it with a mouthpiece puller like this. Sometimes your band director will have this, or what you want to do is take it to a repair shop and they can remove the mouthpiece for you. You also want to make sure the tuning slide still moves, and if it doesn't move with you pushing on it, then you'll need to take it into a shop. And you want to lubricate this on a regular basis so that you can always adjust it. On the slide, if you feel like there's a catch in it or a bump, what happens is you can end up with dents on the slide tubes. And then as you play, the slide will stop because it's hitting that dent. And if that happens, you'll need to take it into a repair shop so they can repair the outside tuning slide for you. And you also want to make sure that the water key is covering the pip. Sometimes the water key will be hit on a music stand and it'll be bent a little bit, and then it won't cover properly and the trombone won't play. Always make sure that the water key is covering the water key hole. If something gets stuck in the instrument and you feel like not enough air is coming through, you could take the slide out and look down these tubes and see if there's anything in there. If you still think it's not allowing air to go through, you'll have to take it to a repair shop. The same thing with the bell. Sometimes things can get inside the bell that you might have had inside the case. And if that happens and you look down in there and you can see something, then just take it to a shop so they can get it out without damaging the instrument. Thank you.